Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. The Asian Pacific and European equities are lower than those of the US, while futures in the US are more mixed. Dollar traded higher against G10 currencies. The dollar is still in a consolidation mode. Today, emerging market currencies trade with a downside bias. As with the foreign currencies, the upside momentum of gold has waned and the yellow metal is trading at a 3-day low. Support is near $1,750. December WTI remains at the same level as it was in recent sessions, which is near $84 per barrel. Asian Pacific market. A weakening global market is another indicator. Recent declines in exports have been reported by South Korea and Taiwan. Today, Singapore saw a 5.6% drop in exports. This is the largest decline in 3 years. Japan reported a higher than expected October trade deficit. The shortfall was approximately a third higher than anticipated. Today marks the first day since August that the dollar has traded below JPY 140. Australia saw a 47% increase in full-time employment in October compared to September's figure. The overall job growth was twice that of the Bloomberg survey's median forecast. For the past 2 sessions, the Australian dollar rallied in front $0.680 but has now stalled below 0.670. Market of Euro. Today we'll see the long-awaited UK budget announcement. The latest delay was caused by the Office for Budget Responsibility being able to use lower interest rates than those which resulted in panic strikes by investors in response to Truss's and Kwarteng's proposals. The euro slipped below the 200-day moving mean on an intraday basis for the past 2 sessions. Although it is still above yesterday's low of $1.033, it appears vulnerable in the North American session where the consolidative phase continues. Sterling is doing better, but it also appears vulnerable. Market of America. The U.S. has reported October housing starts. The median Bloomberg survey forecasts a 2.1% decline in October after the September 8.1% drop. The Atlanta Fed's GDP Now tracker has been revised to 4.4% from 4.0% after yesterday's retail sales, industrial production, and business inventory data. Canada's October CPI was in line with expectations. It was 6.9% year-over-year. The underlying core rates were stable. Data did not affect the swaps market. The greenback rose to a new peak for the week, slightly higher than CAD 1.3360. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.